You might ask, why do you need a tablet tripod mount? The first thing that you do when you buy any tablet, you buy a case for it. You might see somebody using a phone without a case, but you never see anybody using a tablet without a case. And those cases can help you position your tablet on your desk. Now, there's a better way you can mount your tablet so you can move it higher, or fine-tune your tablet angle to just the right position for you. Cases just don't deliver, but the Platypod Tab does. The Tab can hold devices as small as 4.7 inches or as big as 11.2 inches. So that means it can easily hold small tablets like the iPad mini or big ones like the large iPad Pro and the large iPad Air, and everything in between. The Tab is constructed of machined aluminum with silicone trim cushions. The most efficient way to mount your tablet is first loosen the lever with the counterclockwise twist and slide open the tab. Lock the lever with a tight clockwise twist, position your tablet, and use that textured knob on the top to clamp it into place. Because the Tab has a 1/4-20 socket on the bottom and 2 on the back, you can use all kinds of Platypod mounting gear to hold the Tab so that your tablet is just where you want it. Now, I can spin a Platypod disc onto the bottom of the Tab and mount that safely onto a ball head. Mine is mounted on a Platypod Extreme. Or you could put the Tab with the grip stem on a Platypod handle that's mounted on a Platypod Extreme, and that's an adjustable height riser for things like vlogging and teleconferencing. Lots of Platypod gear can help you hold your Tab. You can mount a Tab on a Platypod elbow, or you can remove the jaws of the Platypod grip and mount the Tab on the stem of that grip and mount that on a Platypod or a ball head. And there's a hidden feature you might have missed. See how the bottom has this cutout section? You can mount your tablet so that that opening straddles the connection on your tablet, and you can plug in your tablet to power if you need to. Now you know why the Platypod Tab is such an essential tripod mount for your tablet.